This is the first time that we are walking outside of our Airbnb. This is I think we're going to Center Park now, intersection. So you observe, you have a lot of mga old apartment buildings. Yeah. You have also mga these are areas siguro na before constructed mga 30 years ago, no? Because almost uniform yung mga housing ko nila, no? Housing apartments, no? Housing units. Parang it used to be parang mga condo now. So you have Cairo with more than 20 million people. This is even bigger than Metro Manila. I just imagine, guys, no, yung Cairo is bigger than Metro Manila in population. Where do you put yung people? Saan mo ilagay dyan? So far na naman kami nakikita masyadong mga estero, yung mga squatter colonies. Yes, but soon siguro makikita natin. This is yung all about environmental, urban planning. So okay, we're attending yung urban forum here in Cairo to thresh out these issues involving overpopulation, planning of communities. What is this one? Parang siyang grocery, no? Oh, this one area. My Circle K. We're in Nasr Road, Abbas Al-Agad Street, Makram Ibed Street. So umikot lang kami just to have a feel ng area. So this is para siyang flyover, no? Flyover. We're finding a mall actually na medyo ikot-ikot, no? Parang Philippine style na mall. So far wala pa kayong makita, but this is a big area, no? I'm sure sa scale ng Cairo, maraming malls din sila dito. Iba yung presentation, but we observe yung ganitong mga old na mga building structures. Nakita nyo, guys, no? Left and right.